Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Powell Farms. All right, I know most of y'all were expecting a hunting video today, but I'm not going to bore you with the footage because we went out there, hunted for 4 or 5 hours, didn't see a single thing, not even a squirrel. So I think the full moon the night before really messed us up, but it is what it is. You know, like I said before, you go hunting, it's not always about killing animals, it's about enjoying the time in the woods. And me and my dad got to spend a good amount of quality time together. So we thoroughly enjoyed it, but we're not going to have a video on that today. Just going to kind of go over what I've been doing yesterday instead of going hunting. I have been organizing my garage. I know it still looks a mess, but I got this workbench from a buddy. So my workbench was there. Moved it over there. Got some stuff over there. I have this rack somebody shot last year. So I'm going to mount it for them. I'm going to do a little tutorial on that because I have another one in the freezer, the chest freezer around the corner, that I have to pull out, clean it, boil it, all the whole 9 yards. And then I'll show you how I mount them. It's pretty neat. I like it, and it doesn't cost me any money. So, well, I say it don't cost me money. A little bit of propane and my time, but that's a whole lot better than paying somebody. But I do have some for some other people that I'm going to do for them. And I don't believe I'm going to charge them. I'm just going to kind of do it for them. But if it turns out where a bunch of friends keep calling me and keep telling me to do it, I may have to charge a little bit for my time. But we were going to make videos for that coming up. I'm going to try to let hunting season be over with first, and then we'll just take care of that. But workbench is set up. So start my lawn care stuff, trying to get all that together for my maintenance. Got a lot of stuff in here, a lot of junk. It's all useful. It's not really junk, but oh, one more thing I want to share with you. I've got a toolbox that was given to me from my lawn care trailer. So that's a plus. That'll go on the front. And we got a tiller. Same guy that gave me that workbench was moving. He had this in the shop. He said, I don't want to take it. I know it's not a super fancy tiller, but if we need one, we got one. So there you guys have it. I wanted to do a hunting video, but this didn't happen. But it is Sunday morning, and I have to go to work today, which I hate. And it is 27 degrees outside. And so everything is frosted up. But I know you guys wanted a hunting video, but it didn't happen. So just trying to give you a little update what's going on. I want to keep trying to push the videos out and not go another big month gap with no video, because that'll get you out of the rhythm. So try and stay in the rhythm, keep it going. So till next time, see you on the farm.